A panel of U.S. health advisors has endorsed booster shots for Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine. FDA advisors recommend a lower dose booster shot for seniors and other high-risk groups. And this means in a matter of weeks, millions of Americans could be rolling up their sleeves again. News4JAX consumer investigator Lauren Verno monitored the meeting. Lauren?
So there was a lot of discussion this time around whether to approve the booster for Moderna because the two-dose vaccine's protection remained relatively high even without a booster. However, in the end, it was a unanimous vote in favor of them. Moderna's booster shot is one step closer to getting full approval. The dose will be half the size of the 100 microgram doses used in the original vaccine and given at least 6 months after the second dose.
We recognize that this will require some education and enforcement, and so we are preparing to send a Dear Healthcare Provider letter explaining how the doses are to be administered.
Now, like Pfizer's booster, right now it is only recommended for certain groups, including people 65 and older and people 18 to 64 who are at high risk of severe COVID or whose jobs or living situation put them at an increased risk of serious COVID. Now, more than 7.3 million people have already received Pfizer's booster shot since its approval a few weeks ago.
We're headed in the right direction. We have critical work to do, but we can't let up now.
Meanwhile, President Biden made another push this afternoon for the 66 million Americans who remain unvaccinated.
I'm calling on more businesses to step up. I'm calling on more parents to get their children vaccinated when they are eligible. And I'm asking everyone who hasn't gotten vaccinated, please get vaccinated.
Now let's look at the timeline from here. FDA's full approval of Moderna's boosters could come in a matter of days. Now tomorrow, the FDA panel will decide whether to recommend a booster for Johnson & Johnson's vaccine. But before either shot can go out, a CDC committee will decide who should get the additional shots. Those meetings are already scheduled for next week. Mary?
Lauren, what about shots for kids 5 to 11? When will that be discussed?
Yeah, so I can know the timeline is a little confusing, but the FDA panel is scheduled to discuss shots for that age group on October 26, about 2 weeks from now, which means those kids could get their vaccine weeks later if approved.
All right, Lauren, thank you so much.